Yes, people. Yes, you hear correctly. Mackerel goes to Canada. You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. I hope everybody have a good day and ready to check out the Chaddy More TV. If it's the first time watching, don't hesitate, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. So people, topic we're gonna talk about is Mackerel go to Canada. How the hell that happen? Stay tuned for that one day. Iyara respond back to Bounty Killer lengthy Instagram post. You don't wanna miss that. Quada officially kick off the summer season with that song here, Wellbad Party. And may I tell you, the song Wellbad. So we are gonna give it a review. We are gonna talk a little bit about it, yes. Cause it's a bad song, so don't forget highlighted. So people, just stay tuned and pre them few tracks here. Zane?
Yeah, and if you're not say 6, no girl don't want you. Bobby not the Axie, I mean not the Prada. Psst, running, you know hear me the call you. Shape good and no pens to the muse draw you. I'm a blow good, din go on you. Mix up your G and G with your car up. Why? You know see how me hype. Yo squash, just pass me a light.
When me squeeze the ego, me no let it go. Me no step in the street, tell it every time. Murder them, the Mac 10 thingy, me no hot pin them. Heat every to the dinner. Squeeze the ego, me no let it go. Fi put shot in a people, me do well enough. Max make it SK clap, then and fool them up a let it know.
So people, I wanna go research them songs because them bad. The first one, Daddy 1, Anthem. Yo, that is a fresh track. It just dropped. When me play it, when we put it in that video here, at the first time I hear it, and me say no, that song is bad. So me have to make one hear it. And the second one, Versatile. That eagle something there. When the man says squeeze the eagle and all these things, you see me, people, it bad. You can go check it out. And you don't know say Versatile and one hot artist. But anyway, still, right now, we are going to talk about the Quada dance song, the party song there. Wellbad Party. People, wanna pray.
You gonna do it and run up the street. Anywhere we go, the girl, them a ball out to that. It's a celebration. Every girl I can up and bring it party, say me fi abuse that. And we no too chat, fly we fly car, no we no cruise that. AC cool, me a listen to Park. Money they a so fit dash, girl a bubble some a catch.
Yeah, people. So you see, say Quada out there, I do it. You see, say him make sure I start off the summer season because that is an authentic summer song, you know. So people, make me know what you think. You feel say, is there a possibility, I should ask, if this song can come run this summer, is there a possibility that Quada Dan can take the summer for 2019? You make me know in the comment section what you think. But for now, right now, him young and I do it and I mash up the street. Yo, the tune bad. And people, this track is produced by Louis V Music. And you see Louis V him produce some bad track for Unruly. You see me? Yeah, him roll with popcorn them way there. One of the notable songs where him do is a song from Popcorn album where say Louis out, yeah, we fresh and we clean. Yeah. That song there. You can't do sing still. But him do a number of other songs. You see me? So him normally bad from the summer song there too. You see?
Yeah, man, I like the vibes nice. So me I live it up. Me just send go get eyes. Poorly kind of fi make up. You know see we up. Send up the vibes and then see we out. And not just this team, the whole village out. Full time in life, come on and win now.
So yeah people, that was Quada Dan, Wellbad Party. Wanna go and go pray it. I'm gonna put the link for that song in the description as well. So wanna go over there and then let me know what you wanna think about the song. As a matter of fact, comment in the comment section and tell me what you wanna feel about that song. So people, we are going to talk about the little drama now. But before we got in the drama there, with the Iyara there and the Mackerel something there, make we pray, Safaree overseas, being the best Jamaican that he can. And people, me have to put a disclaimer upon that one. Contains strong graphic language, that is. And you don't know, so me don't normally play bad word for my chat. Anyway, still, people, we could talk about Iyara now. So apparently, Iyara and Bounty Killer in a little beef something. Well, I not really a beef, but him go to the star and say right now he might leave Alliance. You see me? Alliance don't necessarily do nothing for him. Him their own Alliance for 10 years and him not really see no progress. You see me? And that is Iyara where did inna the Alliance. Me have to say did inna the Alliance cause him not inna the Alliance now. So Bounty Killer take it to his Instagram and write a lengthy post. Yo, it's like a story the man write. You see me? Anyway, still me summarize it up for you. It's like Bounty Killer say, brother, you never necessarily have to cut and make the whole world know say you cut. You not have to cut and run go to the star and tell the star say you cut. You could have just cut and nobody never truly know. You see me? Then him call out busy signal and say busy left. Marshall left. You see me? Then they'll create no animosity, so to say. You see me? Big up the artist, still about the artist. But them never create no highlight. Them no paint no bad imagery of Bounty Killer. You see me? Them just do them thing. So him expect Iyara to do the same. But apparently Iyara no do that because Iyara go to the star. So in response to that post where Bounty Killer make, Iyara forward out and attack everything. So me I go play Iyara response right now.
Big man things, I just there with a real meds, you know. Cause I get a whole heap of phone call from a whole heap of people, you see it? And watch this now. I go read the interview where Killer posts up. Cause that is like an interview. Longer than an article, you hear that? I tell them I hurt. Cause watch this now, people. People can't say anything about them, not have a clue, you hear that? You understand what I say, brother? Killer know that even Killer no respect himself like how me. Iyara respect Killer over the years. At 10 years I'm around the G, you know. Him know we not have to talk things then. We been through the rough road with him. You understand what I say? We no look. Me not have to name out the style of what Killer use the style. You understand what I say? Look for unruly face. General, I run you run me off a stage. You know, if you run off Iyara off a stage, dog, you can't do that to your youth, them Killer. You have to understand we have feelings like human being. You hear that? You know the thing them we go through, you know. You understand? Man cup bomb buckle at full dog. People have to understand how man feel to hear that. May I tell you that? And you know over the years, what's it? Europe tour, you got Europe. Killer, you know some man there on you hold it. Every country show you go, you call me. Killer, me a visa and I'm a book, me can fly to, you know, general. You never bring me gun nowhere yet in a royal with you, you know. Or you think the people then look for me? People have me as one little idiot around here, as a youth full of talent and me a bad artist and you know that. You hear that? The Sumfest thing now. Oh, you feel make Sumfest I try. Pray me, Killer. Oh, me for book for Sumfest and you know tell me about it. Me don't know nothing about the show in the dog. You can't make Sumfest I pray. Remember my career just a rise in a G. Sumfest book Iyara. You know if you link me and tell me say Iyara, Ray about the show so I can prepare myself. What you want me to do? Just grab up a regular pants and a regular shirt and run on pan Sumfest. For people say me I want like a idiot artist. If my dog them link me I can dance say yo DJ me I go take the show. Cause you don't know me have my youth them have to hate. Life real. The pain real dog, you hear that? You do a nightly fix and interview in a brother. And when you do the interview, yes you say a lot of things in the interview. But Killer, when you tell the radio this jockey, them go suck them mother. And it hurt as youth round you. Me used to get way better rotation on the radio. When you tell the radio this jockey them that, my song then stop play. Me and every radio this jockey good. Anyone me see any radio this jockey, them show me love, me show them love. You over say me I say, you can't do them thing there. Dog man grateful for everything what you do for me, you know. Let me tell you this man. When a youth cup full in cup, bomb buckler full, you hear that dog, I just that's the thing there, you know. A own way.
Alright, Iyara, you make your talk. I kind of understand what you say still. You see me? You're there around him for a while now. 10 years, you say. And you don't feel like, say, Killer do enough a matter of fact, a bass style, killer style, yo. Because killer running off a stage show and all these things. So, me get what you say, but there's always 3 sides to a story. You see me? You have killer side, your side, and the truth. And in some cases, all 4. But people, wanna make me know what you think in the comment section. Me just make it stay right there, so. And you know all the reason in the comment section. But the final thing I'm going to talk about. Yo, Mackerel, Jano Star, you done it again. You just now come out of the media. Yo, them can't stop you, know. Them cannot stop you. Because I fly right, you know. People, wanna pray this.
Another cup of coffee. Whoa! Hold me, come on the party. I'm Chaddy, not normal. Coming now, we're the underwear. I'm a real bad boy, them. Whoa! Sharp! This one, link it. Whoa! I'm your thinking. Sharp! Very 19! Sharp! Me now wear the underwear. Me now wear the underwear. Come on the Tuesday party, me. Whoa! Let's see in a Chaddy. Bumbo clap. Would he come out and all these things? That man can't fall. Sharp! You say cocky good and all these things.
So there you have it. Goody come out and all these things. I travel. You see what patience do? Yo, Jano, I'm proud of that girl. No care what. I'm proud of that girl. From nothing to something. Mackerel, go on their thing. I rate you. As I say in the vlog before, it's like you turned a 15 minutes of fame in a 1 hour. But right now, them just have to just give fame. And you're hot. So, congrats. Their thing. So, Canada people, they fly up on the screen right now. So, you can just look out for that something there at this Saturday. I think that she say, yeah? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Don't forget to comment, share with your friends, and all these things. People, about 2 o'clock now. In the night that is. So, you have to hold the rest up on it. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.